Is Sandro Marcos running for office in 2022? The son of former Senator Bongbong Marcos has been busy visiting towns in Ilocos Norte and distributing various forms of assistance to Ilocanos. He gave away face masks and aid to residents of Sarat and Bintar towns who were mostly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. The scion of the Marcos political clan has also been visible in public events, like the opening of the first Malasakit Center in Region 1. He thanked Senator Bongo and other officials. He also wrote this on Instagram.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.